Unboxing my Apple Watch. This is a present from my husband for Christmas. Look at that. There you go. This is the 5 series Apple Watch. I wanted this. I wanted to buy this one, but then he was thinking of surprising me and giving me this one. So I'm so lucky because I want it. I don't know how to do this. So my husband is very oh my god, I cannot concentrate to unbox this. I don't even know how. Oh, so there's here. Oh my god, he snores so loud, you know. Here. My baby. Wow. Look at that. It's a silver. Look at that. That's a nice box. Ang ganda ng box niya. So, here it is. Baby, you snore so loud. Baby. There you go. Naput ko labas. Yay. Stop snoring already. Here you go. Come on. Yes. Ta-da! What is this? Designated Apple in California. Oh, this is the charger. Oh, this is the watch. Oh my god, so little. 40 mm. Oh, that's the band right here. I think it's white. Here. There you go. 40 mm. 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 40 mm.